Hello everyone, welcome back from Hanner Academy, Jordy Hanner. So today I'm going to tell you some tricks and tips. So before I say you, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. When you're self-studying, you need these tricks and tips. Number 1. Don't watch any screen time while studying. Number 2. If there is 1 minute study, 50 seconds 1 minute, study 50 seconds, and rest 10 seconds. Number 3. Review the lesson that you teach today. Number 4. This is a biggest secret. Shh. Listen while teacher is teaching and after teacher finish explaining or teaching, note down all the things teacher say. Bye bye. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.